So the water, heater or tank in your bathroom, yeah. Yeah, so but you can explain it to me. Yeah, you want to see?
This thing be doing everything.
Yeah, alright.
Is the space for the water closet, which is the camo, is very close to the jacuzzi stand. I can enter in with, we can step on into the jacuzzi. So I wanted to change, take this part from here and dress it this direction to get little space, but it will be a little bit difficult. Either that option on the left for you to see what I demonstrating. Either we set the toilet this way, or we set it this way, and you can sit. So it's still way. One, we dress it this way, like this, you sit. Two, we do it like this.
Okay.
If you like that idea. Three, like this.
So if you set it like that or like this, that means you don't have to drill or change the location.
Yes, if I set it this way, with no need of me drilling.
Alright. And if you set it that way too.
If I set it this way, the second way,
there will be no
I will not drill.
Okay.
But if I leave it in the direction,
that means
it will be close
yes.
to the jacuzzi stand.
Yes. So that means you gotta take it on that side.
So if I take about 1 foot here, little space will be there.
Yeah, when they won't go beyond because it still got a little space.
Yeah, 8 inches.
Go beyond. Yeah.
Yes.
Go beyond.
You get small space for sitting.
Yeah.
In the direction. So it's from here, from the point we are coming here is 1 foot.
Okay.